OnePlus 3T.
उसमें स्क्रीन कार्ड है ऑलरेडी।
अच्छा।
ठंडे में
Oh, it's very cold.
चल इसको
सेम अगर
नहीं नहीं
कितने में 4.5 छोटा
And this is the OnePlus One.
बाकी का काला हो जाएगा। अरे वो
Both are of the identical size.
अरे सेंटर ऑफ द बैक कैमरा इज द सेंटर ऑफ द एनएफसी।
Oxygen OS साइनोजन था ना शायद?
नहीं साइनोजन चला
तूने तो डालता था।
को मत लगा दे सर।
पड़ जाएगा।
They have included a special 300 rupees promo code that can be used at OnePlus.net.
एक साथ
Oh.
यूज करते हैं।
OnePlus.net अच्छा 2000 कवर मंगा लेंगे।
This is the OnePlus
300 का ऑफ पड़ेगा गिफ्ट वाउचर है।
voucher for 300. And see, the box contains a dash charger
कुछ तो नहीं इसलिए वो
and a data cable.
इंग्लिश इंडिया।
हां ये लिया।
इंडिया।
No headphones in this one. iPhone doesn't provide headphones.
City will not provide it.
Oh, sorry, OnePlus doesn't provide. Yeah, iPhone. Shit, we'll just skip this part. This is the OnePlus Dash charger. It is a 5-volt 4 ampere charger. It is nearly 4 times. It charges 4 times as fast as your normal charger. And in 30 minutes, you'll get 60% of your OnePlus Type C data cable. It has a Type C cord and it is pretty sturdy and thick, so that high amount of current flows through it. So this was the OnePlus unboxing video. Thank you for watching.